Morning, guys. We are gonna do a video later, but I'm just gonna do a quick video about what I'm seeing for next week. Euro pound, still standard what I was looking for. I had a really nice reaction from this zone. You can see we then had a really strong push up. So I'm looking straight off this hourly. We do have smaller zones inside within here. But I'm just gonna take straight off this 30-minute, and then if price then gives me what I'm looking for, that's then when I can get in on a better risk reward and take it. Or if not, I will just leave it straight off the 30-minute, wait for it to do what it wants, and then we'll see. So that's euro pound. I'm going to be targeting a lot of these highs in here because daily we are super oversold, and we do have a lot of things that we could target. 85,000 is going to be on the cards. But for the time being, we're just going to leave it as so and see where we get at. But longs, euro pound, pound Swiss, had some really nice shorts from here last week, took it down to this low. Then there was another entry opportunity here, which I did miss out on, but that's fine. But now we've actually really confirmed lower. So now I am looking, is it daily 12 hour? Yeah, we got 12-hour imbalance in here. So I want to see if price is going to run up and then come back down. We can use our fib from our low to our high. Boom, you can see fib levels lining up really nice, and our target levels lining really up really nice as well. So that is pound Swiss. Third trade is UK 100. Been actually waiting for this zone to get met for quite some time now. You can see level 8,000 is here. Nice psychological level. I was actually waiting for buys off this for when this first got made, but price didn't do that. I was looking for a reaction off a zone in here, which then got invalidated. So now I'm just looking for the zone that caused that break. So if we break this down, it was actually on an hourly. So you can see now we had this Asian high, we had raid, price then raided one more time. We shifted structure, intermediate structure, created this high going into the end of the day. Then we broke down, we came up, we filled this zone in here with this inefficiency. We swept this inducement, and then we then plummeted back down, causing proper shifts in structure. So I'm going to swing this. I'm going to take my first position straight off this 2-hour zone because we could just wick that, but I do think we could go deeper. Second zone is obviously this hourly, and then dropping it down, we have this 15-minute zone, which is a 15-minute inefficiency with this supply zone, which is really nice. So I'm going to have my first entry here with my stops just covering this 15-minute, and I'm going to have my second entry here, just so I can have a bit of a nicer entry. So if first one takes me out, then I do have the second one to maybe recover it. But all the way down to our lower targets. So first one is a 1 to 5, second one is a 1 to 5. So that's looking at really nice opportunities. And again, you can see my fib from our low to our high. Our fib levels are lining up with our pocket zone as well, really nice. So that's UK 100 and USD CAD. We have been pretty bearish on this, and I want to see if price is just going to take out this high because you can see we just have a little liquidity wick here. So obviously we do have a lot of inefficiency in and around here, but what the first zone I was looking for is we did have this inefficiency here. So I'm just inverting that inefficiency to see what was in the zone within this news, this imbalance from the news. If we break it down, there was a really nice 5-minute zone. And here you can see really nice sell to buy, which is lining up with our inverted fair value gap all in here. So I do want to see if price is just going to trickle back down and then give us that continuation. And I'm only just going to be targeting this high up here. Because if we go US dollar, last week I was saying it was looking really bearish, which it was. and then we came down. We didn't take out the low, but we came down, and then we started pushing back up. So maybe we could see some pullbacks to then actually go a little bit longer. So this buy momentum is maybe looking quite nice for us to push up higher. So anything USD long, anything opposite is going down. 4 hourly, we did actually break and hold above this zone. So any form of pullback back down into here for the longs is what I'm going to be looking for. So just well, 4 opportunities, technically 5 because of this one, opportunities for the week. Don't want to have and look at too much. Had a couple of losses last week, which is kind of annoying. So hopefully we can have a better week. But if you guys have got any questions about these, please let me know. And we are going to do a Sunday rundown as well. So if you guys got any questions, please let me know. All right.